Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Polemy. Today we'll be doing a sunset silhouette acrylic painting. For that I'm using some acrylic colors, some brushes, masking tape and 8 by 10 inch canvas. So let's start. The colors I've used for this painting are, for the sky I have used phthalo blue, titanium white, deep violet, cadmium orange and cadmium yellow. For water I have used cadmium orange, cadmium yellow and deep violet. And for the silhouette, land and palm trees I have used ivory black. So you can see we have started the sky by using phthalo blue and white, and now we are blending deep violet along with the blue and white. In the first coat I'm just blocking in the colors, and during this time you would like to merge the colors well, because when we gradually go into our second or third layer we won't merge it so well. We would keep chunks of colors so that it separates the sky from the cloud. Also, during your blocking of colors you have room for merging the colors well, because this is acrylic paint and it dries up very fast. If we would have done the same painting with oil paint, then we would have had a lot of time to blend it well. Here I'm primarily using deep violet and titanium white to get this light magenta color. Our focal point of this painting is the sunset sky, so I've gone very slow and step by step captured the painting and explained it in details. So we will give more time to the sky, and the rest of the painting is very simple, which will take only few minutes to complete. You can see me blending the colors very well in our first layer, because as I've mentioned, in our second or third layer we'll be just blotching the colors here and there to create the clouds. Now using some mix of orange and deep violet to get this color. Here I'm using pure cadmium yellow to create the sunset part of the sky. While painting, always remember that you should have one focus point where you want your eyes to be. Like here we are keeping the sky very interesting. The rest of the painting should be pretty simple, because we don't want to play with the entire painting and digress from what is most important in that painting. Also, if you make this sunset painting in a large canvas and put it in your wall, it really looks good. I have mentioned all the colors in the description box. Here I am putting pure deep violet to get the sunset cloud. Here I am using pure phthalo blue to get some deeper clouds. Always remember the inside of the cloud has to be deep, and gradually you would have lighter colors as and when you come closer to the silver lining. To get a very interesting sunset sky, you have to go back and forth and using the same colors with different values, you have to make the sky very interesting. Here I'm applying lighter and deeper values of the same colors to break the monotony of the clouds, which will give me a much realistic looking cloud. Friends, if you like my painting tutorials, please subscribe, share, hit the bell icon for future tutorials. Also in the comment section, let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. Now finally I'll be using titanium white and cadmium yellow to highlight the silver linings of the cloud to complete the sky. Now the sky is complete, so adjusting the masking tape to get the orange water. For water, I'm purely using cadmium orange, and then with deep violet and yellow, we would paint the reflections in the water. after the water is complete, now finally with ivory black I am painting the palm trees and the land to complete the painting. So this is the final painting. If you like my painting and channel, please share, subscribe, like, hit the bell icon for future tutorials. Stay safe, stay home, bye.